Hi, 你好, I'm Chef Tom. Special request. Spicy shrimp stir fry. I warm up my frying pan 3 to 4 minutes, medium-high heat. Just a little bit oil. I got this very spicy, hot, fresh chili. Add it in. And also, I'm gonna add some ginger and garlic. And everything fresh. Here's garlic, a lot of garlic. A lot of ginger. And we're gonna add some fresh hot chili too. This will be a really good base to start. When you cook fresh hot chili, give them saute for a few minutes, and the chili will become really nice flavor. Less spiciness, but they have good flavor. You see, that's good. And then, we're gonna add some vegetable in. I got pea pot, mushroom, bell pepper. Give them a quick stir. Soften the vegetable a little bit. And we want the vegetable still stay crispy. And now I got this beautiful shrimp. We have about 6-7 ounces of the jumbo shrimp. I marinated the shrimp with some couple teaspoons of the egg white and 2 teaspoons of the cornstarch. The reason I do that is easier to cook, easier to brown, and will give them a more flavor on the sauce. At the same time, will not be easy to overcook the shrimp. Oh, that's so good. I can smell all the spices. Delicious. Okay. Now we're gonna add some sake. Infuse the flavor. Some hoisin sauce. Hoisin sauce is kind of like a sweet, but got really nice flavor. Just a tiny little bit fish sauce. Not much. Oyster sauce. Oyster sauce will balance the great Asian flavor too. And just a little bit soy sauce, not much. Like this. Oh yeah, look at that. And we don't want to overcook the shrimp too, right? Oh, look at this. Okay, now I have this bow tie pasta that left over. Just a little bit here. Let's get the pasta a little stir fry. Warm up the pasta. And the shrimp is almost done. Some sesame oil. Some sesame oil on the pasta. Oh, it's gonna be so delicious. Oh, look at this. Look at this caramelization. Beautiful. Oh yeah. Look at that. Oh, the pasta actually got a really nice flavor too. It borrows out the sauce from this shrimp, beautiful stir-fried shrimp with vegetables. Look at this. Very good. I think it's done. Let's cut it off. So now we're gonna try the food. Oh, look at this. Wow. A piece of bow tie pasta. Delicious. Nice flavor. Like a stir fry bow tie pasta. Bell pepper. I like stir fry bell pepper. Very sweet, very crunchy. Juicy too. Pea pot always good, especially this piece with a little burn on the edge. So light and crunchy. Of course, the shrimp. You marinate the shrimp with the egg white and the cornstarch. They will give you really nice texture, and the biting is just delicious. And not over easy to cook the shrimp too by being too tough. You see the sauce? It's like a nice glaze around the shrimp. Outside got flavor, sauce tastes good, but inside is like meaty. Got a really nice mouthful of the meat. So this is really good with bread, with rice and pasta. The mushroom. See, that's how you eat. With a pair of chopsticks, enjoy your meal. With a glass of wine or beer. Delicious. I hope you like the video. I'm Chef Tom. Thank you for watching. I see you next time. Bye.